Mhm. Hi, and welcome to the latest in our Elevenses series on YouTube for Performance. I'm Jen.
And I'm Katrina.
And today we want to talk to you about how you can utilize the power of YouTube to drive performance for your advertisers. We know YouTube is the home of video with 1 billion users and is the second biggest search engine after Google. And what sets YouTube apart from other platforms that showcase video is that people intentionally come to YouTube to watch video. And we know that attention drives action and action drives results.
Today we're going to talk about how you can convert your audience's attention on YouTube into meaningful action with your brand using YouTube's powerful audience solutions, engaging ad formats, and measurement insights. Let's start with intention. How do you reach users that have demonstrated interest in your brand? The first step in finding your highest value customers is understanding your audience based on their intent. At Google, we have 7 properties, each with 1 billion or more users, which means we have billions of signals to help users understand what their audiences are interested in and what their intent is. And smartphones are the gateway for daily information. People check their phones 150 times a day. That's a huge amount of immediate engagements and signals. You can reach these users based on their intent and interests by combining our data and yours and using these audience targeting solutions. You can target people that have engaged with your business already, offline and online, but didn't convert by using remarketing or customer match. You can also use our data to find people who share the same characteristics and similar behavior as your best customer. And you can target people that are actively researching a product with intent to buy. Our sophisticated algorithms differentiate interest from intent in real time, which allows you to connect with consumers who are closer to purchasing and show them relevant messages. And you also have very powerful customer data of your own. You can leverage your own customer information through our Customer Match product, including purchase histories, profiles, how people interact with your brand offline, to deliver the exact message that will deepen or build your customer relationship. You can also use your CRM data to pitch new products and upsell current customers. It's a very exciting solution that allows you to be as granular and in control as possible. We're constantly innovating our audience solutions to keep up with these changes in customer behavior. Earlier this year, we launched cross-measurement audiences and measurement, which enhances your video ad campaigns with signals like past searches or video views. This means more relevant and personalized ads for users across devices.
So we've heard from Katrina how you can reach people that have a high intent or demonstrated interest in your brand and service, but how do you capture their attention? As we know, there's just too much noise in our daily lives today, and attention spans have dropped dramatically. In the year 2000, our attention span was approximately 12 seconds long. Today, it's as low as 8, which is the equivalent of a goldfish. What this means is that you need to capture a user's attention quickly if you're going to capture it at all. Of course, we know that video is the most compelling way to do this. In fact, despite our massively reducing attention spans, or maybe because of them, we're consuming more video than ever before. And while holding attention is difficult in this climate, as you can see across platforms, YouTube stands out as having the highest daily watch time at 33 minutes per day. That's nearly double its nearest competitor. And of course, these consumers are consuming much of this content on mobile. In fact, according to the latest score from ComScore, 71% of views in the UK are now on mobile devices. So what does this mean? It means you simply must design for a mobile-first world. Users expect highly personalized content when they want it and on the move. So hence the evolution of our products. Like, we know that users are consuming more content in a mobile world, and so we're catering for this. We've continued to evolve our product from high frequency and low attention phenomenon. Our ad product has evolved from a forced watch time of 90 seconds, more like a traditional TV ad, to 60 seconds, to the 30-second TrueView format that exists today, and now, complement to this, are bite-sized bumper ads. I want to focus in on bumpers because we truly believe this format will drive the greatest success for your brands. So bumpers are 6-second ad formats that are mobile first, so designed very much with this shift to mobile in mind, Bumpers let you advertise to your customers as and when they want that content, so consuming on the go. They're highly cost effective, they have the lowest CPM for auction, and they provide cheaper additional reach and frequency to supplement a TrueView campaign, a reserve buy, some Google Preferred. They're also a fantastic complement to TV. Unlike TV, which only lets you buy by demographics, YouTube allows you to leverage signals, as Katrina took you through, to buy against high intent audiences, interest categories, similar tos, and so on. And crucially, bumpers benefit from all of YouTube's technologies. On top of this, YouTube offers the least cluttered ad environment. So it's just 3 minutes of ads for every 1 hour of watch time. Vastly exceeds any other platform. It delivers attentive reach as well. So remember what we said about attention driving action. This is absolutely critical. So attention drives performance. And how do you get attention? Well, you get it by delivering watch time. YouTube delivers longer watch time that leads to greater brand impact. That's at 33 minutes a day, remember. Audibility, so 95% of YouTube ads are watched with the sound on. And again, this is a key differentiator from other platforms. People come to watch video and they come to watch it with the sound on. So you got the impact of sight, sound, and motion, if you like. Viewability, YouTube has the industry leading viewability standard at 93%. So that means 93% of content is fully viewed. And we have engaged consumers. So again, they're coming to YouTube for a leaned in video experience. That means they're in the mindset to engage with this content, and engagement leads to action. If you get this right, the 6-second format right, the results can be absolutely incredible. Just look at some of the brands reaping the awards, from Volvic to Renault to Asda. Okay, you say, that's great, but my video plan just isn't suitable for all 6-second ad formats. And you know what? That's absolutely fine. Actually, what we found, that bumpers work exceptionally well as part of a mix of short and long ad formats. So think of bumpers as the bite before the snack, your TrueView campaign, before your meal, your reserve buy. We know that a mix of short and long form drives the best results. So when we looked at 400 campaigns that activated TrueView, so again, TrueView being your 30-second ad format, your skippable, with bumpers, they had an increased unique reach of 78% on average. So I'll let Katrina take you through then how you convert this attention into action.
So we're improving our measurement technology to give you a deep insight into how your viewers are engaging with your brand online, across devices, and even in your physical store. Last year, we unveiled TrueView for Action, a performance video format that optimizes for off-YouTube actions. You can display a branded call to action banner alongside your video during and at the end of your ad. And it can be tailored with a specific action such as book now, or get a quote, or learn more. TrueView for Shopping is another performance ad format that is optimized to convert your viewers' attention into action. As your ad is being shown, viewers can easily purchase items that are displayed right in front of them on screen alongside the ad and using personalized product carousels. From an advertiser's perspective, location extensions are a game changer because we can use them to estimate how many customers have visited your store after watching your YouTube ad. Hundreds of millions of users have opted into sharing their location whenever they're signed into Google so that they can take advantage of products like Google Now that rely on location data to send useful traffic updates. We can use this and generate anonymous aggregated statistics of how many people visited your store after viewing a TrueView in-stream ad in a privacy-safe way by matching user location data and location extensions. And to give you maximum insights into your YouTube performance, we're making several improvements to ensure you can attribute conversions from those who watched a video ad on the YouTube mobile app, for example, and then converted on a desktop, or from desktop to mobile. We're also improving brand lift measurement to give you deeper insight into how your customers engage with your brand across platforms and devices. This report looks at organic search activity and user surveys to analyze changes in viewer sentiment towards your brand as a result of your YouTube campaign. Over the next few months, brand lift reports will also start to measure upticks in visits to your YouTube channel and web pages that match your brand interest keywords to help you measure the full value of your YouTube campaigns. And lastly, for those of you who are very performance focused, you'll be happy to know that over the next few months, we're extending cost per acquisition bidding to TrueView for Action campaigns.
So if you remember 3 things from our conversation today, here's what we hope you take away. First, your high-value customers are paying close attention on YouTube, and we have the tools to help you understand when and how to reach them. Second, our audience solutions are more powerful than ever, thanks to our ability to tap into new intent-rich signals. We're also iterating on new formats specifically designed to convert your viewers' attention into action. And finally, we're improving our measurement technology to give you a deep insight into how your viewers are engaging with your brand online, across devices, and even at your physical store. Up next on Elevenses is the first in a 5-part series, to get you guys ready for the biggest seasonal spikes of the year, Black Friday and Christmas. This series will begin on October 18th and it will run to just before Black Friday. This will take you through everything you need to know, from shopping, audience, automation, to make sure that this season is the biggest yet. Week 1 will be kicked off by our shopping specialists, and we're looking forward to seeing you there. Thank you.
Bye, guys.
Bye.